All right. First live video for a little while, guys. Hope everybody's having a great day. Today, we're going to start the Ask Dax show. And if you can see, I got my cool looking video follower, follows me around, gives us that good footage. I'm going to start doing these hopefully every day, as much as I can to help you guys out. So, also another thing I want to bring up is, so on Facebook and YouTube and Instagram, I've kind of been a mentor for portraits, digital designing, things like that. I'm going through a rebranding phase because I feel like there's plenty of artists out there that can help you do portraits, help you do the art skills. And there's a bigger problem in this industry that I really believe that I'm that peg that fits in the hole. And that is business. That is getting clients and structuring a business to give us more freedom and reach new heights that have never happened in the tattoo industry. What's up, Bea? How we doing? So today's question is a really important topic. It came from my Instagram. If you're not following me on Instagram, it's at Tattoo Expert Dax. Check that out on Instagram. That's where you can follow me. We got new content on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. So I am in the process of rebranding to help you guys with something that a lot of artists just really don't know about. Okay, when you get asked, how do I get more clients? Most people will tell you just do good work. And that is wrong. I expect you to do good work, but good work alone will not help you get clients. I'm going to show you through a series of videos, Ask Dax videos. I'm going to go through all your client frustrations and how you can really reach that new heights and get out of your own way so you can move forward. So let's get into it. We got a question from one of my buddies on Instagram. He's a tattoo artist. And he's been tattooing for a few years, but we're gonna keep him anonymous because I didn't ask him if he wanted his name out there. But he said, I have a serious question. Dax, how do you deal with cheap customers, even when you want their business, but don't want to compromise your work or detail? How many of you guys have had a struggle like that? I know I have. So he asks, how do you deal with the cheap customer even when you want their business but don't want to compromise your work or your detail? Okay, I'm going to give you a couple answers to this because it depends on what route you want to take. Okay, I'm going to tell you what I would do. I'm also going to tell you the simplest thing. If you want the simple magic pill formula, how do you deal with a cheap customer even when you want their business but don't want to compromise your work or detail? You just don't compromise your art, work, or detail and deal with a cheap price. Is that the best thing? No. Is that what I would do? Fuck no. But wanting to deal with a cheap customer, even when you want their business but don't want to compromise your work, so pretty much you don't want to get paid what you're worth. How do you deal with somebody that's not going to pay you what you're worth without sacrificing detail? Well, I would just put the detail in there, or go for a shit. What would be the best way to answer this? One thing to understand is there's different levels of clients, and there's also different levels to tattooing. Okay, I don't deal with cheap customers. I don't fucking deal with them. Fuck cheap customers, okay? The only people that deal with cheap customers are three people, okay? The rookie tattoo artists, your regular average do-it-all tattoo artists, and just an ignorant tattoo artist, okay? Specialized artists don't deal with cheap customers, and savage tattoo artists don't deal with cheap customers either. So, and in my course, my new course on structuring your business, it's called Savage Mentorship. I actually show you this pyramid that I'm going to show you right here, and I break down artists into three categories, and that's the rookies, the averages, and the savages in a pyramid, okay? Savages are at the top, and that's not an ego thing. That's just me showing you in this guide what the difference is between the actions and the opportunities and the struggles and problems between each type of artist on this pyramid. So if you want more opportunities, you want a better life, you want to raise yourself up on this pyramid and become the next level of artist. And I show you how to do that in that course. But yeah, man, you ask me how I deal with cheap customers, I fucking don't, okay? I deal with customers that pay me what I'm worth, get in on my time, do the styles that I want to do, and ultimately are just people I enjoy to be around. And I encourage all tattoo artists to do the same. How do you do it is another story. I can't give you that in just one small video. It requires an entire mentorship. So if you're interested in that, hit me up. Peace.